Hello, my name is Tony Giallonardo. I'm a fashion curatore. I've been dressing people for the last 40 years. And today I'm going to show you 8 things that you should bring with you on a summer trip. I brought something for me. I packed it up in my own suitcase. I'm going to start with a beautiful light blue jacket with white specks. Light blue, I love light blue. It reminds me of the sea. Reminds me of the most beautiful things. It's nice and comfortable and summery. The jacket is half lined, so it's very, very light. It's made out of linen, and it's beautiful, super comfortable. And I'm going to use a pair of jeans. They're denim. They're an 8-ounce denim versus a 14-ounce. They're much lighter. The wash is very beautiful, also in the blue shade. I'm going to use this. And then I'm going to put a striped shirt. Why striped shirt? Because the jacket is plain. So the striped shirt will complement the jacket. And this could be a nice outfit. I don't know, you're going for dinner somewhere, right? And you want to dress up nice. I would wear this for dinner. Now, on a second thought, if you want to wear something a little more cooler, sorry. Forgot the shoes. We forgot the beautiful shoes with the white sole. They're also blue. It's a stamped leather with white laces that complements the whole look, right? And obviously a belt. The belt has got various shades, including some blue in it. Very beautiful. And that's the outfit to go for dinner, to see a friend, to go to somebody's house. Now, to make it more exciting, I would keep the belt, keep the shoes, make some changes. Out with the shirt, in with the white t-shirt. And out with the blue jean, and in with a beautiful white jean. Also super light. Now this look, let me remove the stuff from here, put it back in my suitcase. This look is a gorgeous look to go to a party, a summer party, whether you're at the beach, whether you're at the cottage, wherever you are, this is gonna look great, right? And we threw away the belt, which you shouldn't have, there it goes. So this is the 8 things, and you can pack them very easily in your overnight suitcase or your carry-on, right? Thank you very much. Please follow me on my channel, and I'll see you soon.